Do you want to achieve fast and sustainable results on your weight loss journey? Of course you do. The right weekly split and training frequency can be key for achieving proper results in the shortest time frame. There are many different approaches that we can take. So in this video, we will discuss 3 of my favorite weekly breakdowns for fat loss, which have helped me and my clients achieve great results.
So let's jump to the first example. In this split, we will be performing resistance training circuits 3 times a week. In each session, we will be doing 2 circuits of 4 exercises each, done back to back with minimal rest. The circuits can be performed 3 to 4 times, and for each exercise, we will aim for 10 to 12 repetitions. You should aim for a break between 15 and 35 seconds between all sets. After completing 3 to 4 sets of the first circuit, you will then move on to the second circuit and repeat the process. So how do we choose the exercises? The table shown on the screen has a list of recommended exercises for each movement group. You can pause the video here and take a screenshot. Then choose the exercises to perform based on what equipment is available to you and your current skill level. Now I'll show you an example of what your workout should look like. So now on to the second example. In this program, we will be performing resistance training and modified strongman circuits 3 times a week. The first circuit is exactly the same as in example 1, and the second circuit will be performed in the same way but with a different type of exercise, which we call modified strongman exercises, or abbreviated MST. These types of movements still have a strength component, but will also help to improve VO2 max and maximize fat loss. Again, the table shown on the screen has a list of recommended exercises for MST. You can pause the video here and take a screenshot. Then choose the exercises to perform based on what equipment is available to you and your current skill level. Now I'll show you an example of what the workout should look like. So now on to the third and final example. In this program, we will be performing 2 resistance sessions in the week, plus 1 day of conditioning session. The resistance training sessions will be performed the same as in example 1. The conditioning session will be performed in the same way but with different exercises that will focus mainly on improving cardiovascular fitness and maximizing fat loss. This workout will be made up of 2 circuits with 4 exercises each from the MST category and 4 high-intensity interval training or HIIT exercises. The table shown on the screen has a list of recommended exercises for all types of circuits. Now I will show you an example of what conditioning session should look like.
Here we go. These are our top 3 weekly breakdowns. Like this content, subscribe now and hit the bell for instant notification. Thank you for watching.